AuPairWorld gives au pairs and families everything they need to plan an au pair stay, to make contact with each other and match, and then to go ahead and make the au pair stay happen together. The platform has two basic areas for users: an information area for finding out about au pairing and how an au pair stay should be organized, and a matching area for au pairs and families to create their profiles and match with each other to realize their own au pair stay together. Au pairs use the matching system for free. Host families need to become premium members to make full contact with au pair candidates. In your AuPairWorld profile, you give basic information about yourself and your plans and wishes for an au pair stay. The system then shows you families or au pairs who match your search criteria. Now you can choose which of these possible au pair partners you would like to make contact with. The platform's messenger lets you get in touch with them directly and start to exchange more detailed information. In the matching process that now takes place, families and au pairs get to know each other better with messaging and video calls as they look for the right partner for an au pair stay. When the au pair and family have both decided the fit is right, it's time to make a contract to regulate the details of the upcoming stay. And then it's time to look forward to a great adventure. All through this matching process, the general information part of the AuPairWorld platform is a super useful resource for families and au pairs. There you can find detailed information about the formal aspects of au pairing in many different countries, helpful advice about what families and au pairs need to think about for a successful au pair stay, useful links to service partners for insurance or language training, current information in our blog and in our social media channels, plus lots more. Over the years, we've helped millions of au pairs and families come together and arrange successful au pair stays at AuPairWorld. We'd love to help you too. Spend some time on the platform and check out what it can do for you. And if you ever have questions, our customer support staff is ready and waiting to give you any help you need. Good luck with your au pairing plans from all of us at AuPairWorld.